40A, 30A high switching capability. Bosch Style 5 Prong Universal Standard Relay, Spdt, single pole double throw. Pin specifications: 30 VDC, 85 ground, 86 trigger, 87 output N, O, 87A output N, C. Nominal coil voltage: 12 VDC, must operate voltage, 6 to 8 VDC, must release voltage, 0.6 to 3.6 VDC, maximum applied voltage, 15.6 VDC, coil power, 1.8 W, coil resistance, 80 ohms. Used on all automotive and devices equipped with a 12-volt power source, car sound systems, security systems, LED lights, headlights, and various other applications. Johnson Evinrude Outboard Marine Corp OMC. Top reviews from the United States. Best bang for your buck. Although cable harness isn't included, it's still a great value.